I'm using the 4-ounce non-woven geotextile filtration fabric. Using it underneath an Amish-built mini barn. Used it underneath the gravel pad, and I will also have it underneath the edge of the gravel along the side of it. I've not used it underneath the gravel on the ramp up front, and that was a mistake, so I will be purchasing some additional fabric. We had about 1 inch of rain yesterday, and the gravel underneath the edge is still very tight underneath. It's about 4 inches, and it is very tight underneath our feet, and it also is holding up quite well underneath the shed pad.